Hi, I'm Sama. I'm one of the co-founders of Remyx AI, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create a custom computer vision model for your iOS app with no data and minutes. This is what we're going to create today. All right, let's dive right in. So let's start by navigating to Remyx.ai. We're going to sign in to our account. If you haven't made one already, no problem. All you have to do is choose either your GitHub or your Google account. I'm going to go with Google today, and I'm going to choose my account. And shortly, we'll be welcomed with our home screen here. So this is the Remyx Engine. We're going to start by chatting with the Remyx agent to help us make our model. So today, I'm going to make an iOS app that's going to work around identifying different plants so that I could get more information out of it. So I'm going to tell the Remyx Engine what I'm building today. Alright, so you can see here that the Remyx Engine is giving me plenty of details of how to go about giving the information that it needs to create my model. So I'm going to go ahead and tell it that I want to create a classification model with the name. I'm going to tell it my list of plants that I want to identify. And I have my list in another window, so I'm going to go ahead and copy paste those in there. Specifically, I'm looking to identify the Ficus Audrey, the Alocasia Regal Shield, and one of my favorites, the Monstera Deliciosa. Alright. And let's say that I want this model to be about medium size, since I want it to also be accurate. Now it's going to allow me to confirm. I'm going to say yes. All right, amazing. So the Remyx Engine is now getting to work on creating my customized model for me. It'll be a classifier that I can deploy on my iOS app, and it'll be able to differentiate between those three kinds of plants. So the Ficus Audrey, the Alocasia Regal Shield, and the Monstera Deliciosa. So now that's all that's left to do is wait a couple minutes. We can go back and get a coffee or a tea, your preference, and then we'll be able to move forward when our model is done. And now our model is complete. We can go ahead and check it out, test it, and then download it so we can deploy it into our iOS app. So we're going to go ahead and click the model that has been completed, my plant classifier iOS. We can see this dashboard that gets produced where we can see the model type, our labels that we chose, and then the accuracy that was reached. So that was pretty good. Also see some visualizations on how the performance went as it was training. And we can also test it in the app before we go ahead and deploy it. So let's try clicking that options drop down, run model in browser. And I have a handy dandy example here on the side that I can go ahead and drop in. And it looks like it did really well on the Monstera Deliciosa, so that's a good sign. All right, let's go ahead and download the model so we can deploy it. So we're going to click that drop down again, options, and we're going to download. The Remyx Engine allows for different conversion types, and so we can choose the Core ML for convenience here. And in just a few moments, we'll see that our package was downloaded, and we can go ahead and try that out next. All right, so we downloaded our model. Now let's go ahead and deploy it into our iOS app. So here I have open Xcode. All we need to do now is go ahead and find the model that we downloaded earlier. So I have it ready here. It's called my plant classifier iOS. You can see it's a .ml package, so it's ready to drop into Xcode. We'll do just that. Drop it into the appropriate location here. Click finish, and now we have our iOS app ready to use this model. As you can see here, it has the labels that we trained with, it's a classifier, and then all we need to do now is change the reference in our code, ensure that that new naming convention for our model is identified. It looks like it is, and we're ready to roll. Let's go ahead and click our target. So I have my handy dandy phone right now already plugged in. Let's try that one out. We're going to go ahead and try to launch. All right, so it's building with our new model asset there. Looks like our build succeeded. So now it's downloading the model, downloading the iOS app. Amazing. So you can see there, I don't have a plant nearby, but it has our app loaded. So I'm gonna switch views here. You can see what I'm seeing. And it's able to identify the plants in my room. Awesome, that was only in a few minutes. Well, thank you for joining us. I hope you sign up to Remyx AI, and I'm looking forward to what you're gonna build next. See ya.